Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorial. So guys, today we are going to discuss about how can we update a record using Eloquent. Eloquent provide multiple ways to do that. So let's see what they are. Let me run my project PHP artisan serve. That's it. Okay, let's see if it is running or not. Okay, it is fine. Let me open my sublime. I will move to web.php. Since we are using Eloquent, we need to import the class we are working on or basically performing the CRUD operations on. In this case, it is the post class. Okay, now I will move downwards and I will just comment these raw SQL queries so that I can use the update route. Basically, we cannot have two routes with the same name. Copy, just rename it a bit. Okay, it should be update. That's it. Now I will make a route get and update function. Okay, and just semicolon here. Okay, so now what I will do, I will first find the post I want to update. Post static method find. Let's see what records we have. Basically, let's find 5 and also look at it here. Basically, when I'm performing CRUD operation with respect to Eloquent, it is going to create the created add and updated add timestamps for us out of the box. Let's see. I will find post record that has ID 5. Now I'm going to tell you most powerful debugging tool in Laravel, and it is just like a gift for us. Let's see what it does. dd tie and dump and just see the post. Okay, I will hit the update route to see what we have. Basically, it is the model we are working on, and it contains some fillable property that we defined in the last video. Is active description post name. Okay, connection is MySQL, table name is post. Okay, primary key is ID, and we have some attributes, keys and values. See, ID 5, post name is about PHP, etc. So it is the most powerful tool to debug anything, for example, for any error or any uncertain value, anything. If you want to debug, you can use dt anytime. Okay, now what I will do, I have the post. Now I will just update it. Post name should be updated. That's it. Okay, the post description should be updated. Let's say that's it. Okay, now $post and is active. Let's see what we have for is active. 1. Let's make it 0. That's it. Now what I will do, I will hit this specific method. Name is save. We have already seen this save method in the create section. Basically, what this save method does is it is going to check for an ID. If there is any sort of ID present, it is just going to update the specific record. If there is no ID, it is going to create a new record. In this case, we have an ID post. For example, let me show you. We have the ID right here. If the ID is present, it is going to update it. If the ID is not present, it is going to create a new record, just like here. Okay, so let's see and look. It basically Eloquent created at and updated at timestamps for us out of the box. If you want to, you can change it as well, but it should be in the correct format that PHP myadmin created at field accepts. That's it. Let's hit our update route again and let's see what we have. Okay, the record is updated. Let's see. 5 updated is active is 0 and updated at, see, we have the updated time. Now let me create some more posts. For example, I will hit the create route. Okay, create, that's it. One record is created. 6. Okay, now let me change it a bit. New post, that's it. Okay, and new description, that's it. And it should be active as well. Let's hit that route again, and we have two new posts created right now, 6 and 7. Let's see. Eloquent created at timestamps and updated at, basically the updated time at the beginning is the time it was created. Now whenever I'm going to update this specific record, the time and date will change respectively. For example, see here the second is 37 minutes and 06 seconds. Let's update our 6 record. What I will do is just simply 6 and update post name. Okay, updated description DSC, that's it. Let's hit it and make it 0. Let's hit the update route and let's see what we have. See, the time, all updated time is changed now, 38 and 18 second, and the record is updated. Now let's move and see other method to update a record, and that is, let me make a route quickly. Route, basically the route should be update, and function is closure function, that's it. And what I will do here is just say post where. We have already seen this where as well. With the where clause, I'm going to find an id and some id would be here. Let's see. Let's update our seventh record right here. Okay, what I will do, let's find 7 and perform update, and it is expecting an array with key and value. Key would be column name, post name, and updated. Okay, sorry, since it is an associative array, I have to do it like this, and comma, and column name or key description, and the value would be updated, that's it. And let's make it is active equals to 0, value would be 0, that's it. And semicolon here. We can use both value, but you will be seeing me using this one because it make more sense, and this is the method I prefer. Basically, we can use both of them. If you like this one, you can also use this one. Let's see. Now when I hit the update route, what it is going to do, it is going to find a post where id is 7 and simply update it. Let's see. 7, new post, new description. Let's update it, and it is updated. Let's see, and see, it is updated. The time of update is also changed from the previous one. Now let's change it with the where clause so that you know how can we put some other conditions right there. Let's, okay, update the 6th record. Okay, let's see. Let's update 6th record where is active is 0. That's it. What I'm doing right here is just chaining a method. See, post, find post where id is 6 and where is active is 0. If the id is 6 and is active is 0, it is going to update the record. Let's see. Yes, okay. Let's update the 6th one. Updated, and updated would be right here as well. Let's see. Okay, it's done. Let's see. See, updated number 6 record, value was 0. Now let me put another condition. For example, update the 6 record when the id where is active is 1. What it will do, it is going to do nothing because the condition fails right here. I am updated, that it makes sense. I am updated, okay, and the value should be 1. Let's see, we don't need this, let's remove it. Okay, now I'm finding the post where id is 6 and where is active is 1. If these conditions basically matches, I am going to update only if these conditions matches. Okay, let's see, let's hit the route update and see nothing happens. Let's see, it is not updated because the where clause, the second where clause is failing. Let's put 0 here so that it matches. id is 6 and where is active is 0. Update the record, that's it. Let's hit the route update and it is done. See, so this is how we can chain methods to our update function, or basically update method. This is the way we are going to chain our multiple methods, for example where this and where that, etc. So these are the two ways we are going to be using for performing the update operations. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, share, and take care. Thank you.